Hello there, I am Tugustu Zarion. This is my channel. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. I'll continue the next lesson, which is 3 paragraph formatting under grade 9 information technology textbook. Thus paragraph formatting. What do you mean by paragraph formatting? Paragraph formatting, it is a collection of words. When you say paragraph, it is a collection of words. It is a collection of numbers. It can be also any combination of them. Means combination of words, numbers can be a paragraph. It is organized in a section that describes a particular area or point. It is organized in a section that describes a particular idea or point. In a paragraph. Paragraph organized in a section that describes a particular idea or point. Therefore, if possible to our topic is, our objective is formatting a paragraph. But parallelly, you have to know what a paragraph is. Formatting a paragraph can be a little combination of different commands. These include indentation. A paragraph can consist of or formatting paragraph indentation by alignments, by bullet, by applying bullets and numbering, by applying line and paragraph spacing. Possible to format. Format a paragraph well. We use indentation, alignments, bullets and numbering, and line and paragraph spacing. Apply After applying these features, our document will have a good appearance. Why we will format? Beautifying a document to have a good appearance. We format a document to have or to beautify a document to have a good appearance. To have a good appearance, we will format by using indentation, alignment, bullet and numbering, line and paragraph spacing. Here today as a general, we will see in table form how to format a paragraph. Then I will continue in next lesson this content is indentation, alignment, bullet and numbering, and line and paragraph spacing. To format a paragraph, you can use different commands such as different text alignments, bullets, numbering, multi-level list, paragraph indents, sorting text, line spacing, shading, and different borders. To format a paragraph, follow the following steps here. In Microsoft Word, you will get say type of feature. Here is a bullet, then numbering, multi-level list. Next, there is a decrease indent, increase indent. There is AZ, which is the sort, the show hide paragraph. Add here on the left side, left align, align center, align right, justify, and line spacing, and paragraph spacing, shading, and borders are appear under especially paragraph group. Let me demonstrate you using the software. Window plus letter R, WinWord. Type WinWord, then OK. Just here are Microsoft Word window. Here the paragraph group. Under paragraph bullet. Let me increase the size, the zoom to 100. Here is a paragraph group. Just point, you can point the mouse pointer. You can over here, it displays bullets, numbering, it says multi-level list. Here is a decrease indent, increase indent, sort, paragraph mark. Here is a left, align left, center, right, justify. Here line and spacing. When you click the button here, it displays a drop down menu. Line spacing, paragraph spacing are here. Shading. Here is a border. Here, the first in paragraph formatting group, command and their descriptions. Bullets. Bullets. To start, text line paragraph with a bulleted list. You can choose different bullet styles by clicking the drop-down arrow of the bullet list. It says to start, text or line paragraph with a bulleted list. You can choose different bullet styles by clicking the drop-down arrow here. The drop-down arrow, this arrow. Then you'll get choices for variety of bullet types. Just Alt plus Tab on the keyboard, then Word. Here, for instance, you can choose here bullet, the button. Now I have choose this one. Then, for instance, micro computer enter. When you press enter key, it displays apply by automatically it applies the bullet. Here what's under formatting, we use bullets. You can change into number also. After typing, we can change into number here. Can change into number. Numbering. To start text line paragraph with a number to last, you can choose. After choosing a number, you can change also bullet, vice versa. Multi-level list, in case of typing multi-level list. For instance, here I have to choose here multi-level list, for instance, this or this one. And the increase and decreasing, increasing that. For instance, desktop, computer, laptop, computer, microcomputer, top personal address. Then to return back to 2, you have to decrease the indent like this. You can type returns mini computer, enter, then you can increase the indent here to 1. Alt tab, let me return to the presentation. The other left alignment, center, right alignment justification here. Let me see together once. Choosing, first you have to select, then you can to choose or to select, you can use directional key also. First selection, then action, it says in Microsoft Word before formatting. Always shift with directional keys. First you have to point your cursor or insertion point, then choosing. I can make center. Alright. I have only chosen this number, the first place. I can choose all the lists, then making center possible. Alright. Here. Right, you can make it right or justify. Or left or center, you can make it. Alternatively, you can use Control E, for instance. On the keyboard, Control E center, Control L is left, Control L. The other feature, increased indent, decrease indent in case of choosing multi-level list. Sort, it's possible to sort using ascending and descending. For instance, here is it's not ascended. I can choose, for instance, in ascending. Okay, it will ascend the means from the lowest to the highest. Lowest D letter, then A letter. But in this case, it's not the appropriate choice. Let me type something here. The if I have a list here, the Alam and Abil. Let me choose here. Then here you can ascend, for instance. First selection A is lowest 1, Z is 26. Therefore A to Z. You can make also descending. Change into descending. The other show hide paragraph marks and line spacing. Let me show you both. Possible to show. There are non-printing characters in Microsoft Word like tab. This paragraph mark. The dot is shows or a symbol for gap or space. Therefore, tab key, enter key, and the space bar on the keyboard, they are non-printing characters. But it's possible to display using this mark. It's possible to display, possible to hide. The other is just let me display 3 paragraph text is equal to rand int open parenthesis close parenthesis enter. It gives you here paragraph. Then it's possible to make the line spacing 1.5, for instance here. Says line 1.5. The appropriate one is 1.5. The same too. After selecting, you can make it 1.5 or 1 or 2 or above that. What about the paragraph formatting? In case of paragraph, for instance, if this paragraph is selected, you can increase the cap. Then under page layout, the spacing it says before and after. For instance, you can increase, as you see, the effect, the gap between just this paragraph and the second paragraph. After means this, the third and the second. Again, we can increase the gap. Next is shading and border. Shading and border. Let me show you both shading and border. Shading. Here, this is the shading. Shading. You can shade a color. For instance. What about to apply border? Let me say like this. Then under page layout, I'm in design tab. In case of this version, in 2013 border. Page border. Then there is a shading to fit the color. Border is in case of the selector text. You can make it box, then line style type. Okay. Have you seen? Border is applied for this text. What about the page? Page border, design, page color. You can change also the page color. Page color. Page border here. Page border. Border is for the selected paragraph or group of paragraphs or word. Page border is for the whole page border. For instance, choosing here, for instance, I have chosen here. Page border is applied. File, print, preview. It is a YSwift program. What you see is what you get program. I think it's have a good appearance. Why we format to have a good appearance. You can format in many ways. Anyway, for today is enough. I will continue the next session. Thank you.